Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about triple column cash book, and if you saw previous video double column cash book and one I made up only for based on the format single column, double column, triple column, then this video will help you because there I discussed about how the double column cash book we have to create, and then what is contra entry, then how the bank overdraft, and what is check in hand. So check in hand is also very important. Key checks in hand concept, how it will happen. So here the first thing I should talk about, first see the double column cash book, then we have to jump for the triple column cash book. In the triple column cash book, this is the format. What? Debit side is expenses, credit will be income. Debit means what? Date, particular, ledger folio, discount allowed, cash, bank. Same thing here. Date, particular, ledger folio, discount, cash and bank. So first, if you have to want to know about triple column cash book, you should must know the double column cash book. So here I will talk about first ki there is a two discount kind of thing, that is a trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount we should not record in the cash book, only we are recording the cash discount. In cash discount again do two type, we are giving the discount tag, discount allowed and discount received. So that time you should know that ki we have two times, that is discount allowed and discount received. And one more thing, if the given in the cash in hand and cash bank, so there directly. But if it is an overdraft balance, that time it should not be a debit balance, that time it should be a credit balance. Okay. So discount allowed will be debit side and discount received will be credit side. Why? Because discount allowed means we gave to our customer, that is the expenses, so debit side, and when we are receiving means from the supplier, that time it will be the credit side. Okay. So this side, debit side is expenses, credit side will be income. So now we know about cash book is not a subsidiary book. Cash book is a principal book because cash book serves two things, that is a journal as well as ledger. So now I'll just now start the practical sum triple column cash book here. So now the first transaction is cash in hand and cash at bank. So my cash in hand and cash, and what is my two balance brought down, cash 85,000 and bank is 52,000. Second is paid salary in cash. We know what is the entry? Salary to cash. If it is cash paid in by check, so salary to bank. So here it is cash transaction. What is the value? Paid salary in cash 22,000 on 5th May. See, buy salary 22,000. Now the third transaction is mine. Paid Raman and Co. by check in full settlement of their claim 26,500. The amount is 26,000. So what is the meaning? 500 is the discount paid, means it is discount received. So what will be by Raman? 500 is in discount column and 26,000 is in bank because it is check. Okay. Now the full settlement done. Now next is May 6th. Receive from Ramesh. Receive from Ramesh on account check for 40,000. So what will we have to write? To Ramesh and 40,000. Next will be what? This is the basic entries. Bought goods for cash 12,000. Bought goods for cash means what? Purchase to cash. So again we have to write what? By purchase, and in the cash column this is cash sent to bank. Cash sent to bank 8th May. What I have to do? Again here it is a contra entry. Why? Cash sent to bank. To two account is involved, cash account and bank account, because in bank your amount is increasing and cash is decreasing. So now in the bank the amount is increasing. So what I have to write here? See here in the head, to cash, ledger folio what? Contra entry. The amount will be in the bank column because to cash means we are depositing into bank. So in the bank account 10,000. Here by bank contra entry in the cash column 10,000. So please, this one with this transaction is very important. What? Because we are talking about cash and bank. Okay. So now next is May 9, paid to Hari and Co. by check, discount allowed 300 and amount is given 6,400. So what is the thing? We know here paid to Hari. So it is what? By Hari and Co. we have to write 300 and the bank 6,400. Okay. Now receive from Mohan. Receive from Mohan, the amount is 15,000. So receive from Mohan means again it is what? To Mohan, cash. Receive from Ramlal, check discount allowed. So it is given again simple. Discount allowed means no, it is a debit side. 800 will be in the discount column and 16,000 will be in the bank. Because it is a check. Check means we have to deposit in bank. Drawn from bank. Drawn from bank means what again? To bank. This is drawn from bank. So how it will be? From bank you are getting cash. Correct? So what you have to do here? To again it is a contra entry. To bank. Contra entry 20,000 for cash and there you have to write buy cash contra entry in bank 20,000. Correct? Understood? Now next is your paid wages. We know again it is expenses. What I have to write? Because paid wages means wages to cash. Again buy wages, cash account. Check from Ramlal returned, dishonored and bank debit account in respect to check 200. Understood? What? Where you this entry will go? This entry will go somewhere because it is check from Ramlal return and again it is what? 200. So what I have to do? We have to link with the previous entry. Where is the entry? May 18 check return. So here what I have to do here? See, by Ramlal, what is the discount was given previous? 800. We had done that. Ramlal check. See here. Receive from Ramlal 800 and 16,000. So what I had to done here? By Ramlal, discount is 800. So total 200 will be extra. So it is what? Instead of 16,000, I have to write here 16,200. Understood? This check, this transaction is linked with the May 12th transaction. Correct? Now, next will be your interest provided by bank. 3,000. Interest provided by bank. So what? To interest in the bank column. Goods sold to Mr. Venki for cash. Again, okay. So again, what I have to write here? Two sales. Cash to sales. So two sales, 8,000. Now bought goods from Lakshmi on credit. On credit means this transaction we should record or not? We should not record because it is on credit. So credit we should not record in the cash book. So this transaction will not record in the cash book. So we have to write in the note that the transaction of May 26th goods bought on credit will not be recorded in the cash book because it is not a cash transaction. It is a credit transaction. So that should not be recorded in the cash book. Okay. So now we have to see the all the columns ki how we have to manage. So I will seek the in the discount, in the cash, in the bank and again here. So I will check this side is less. So I have to manage. So I will write what? Whatever the difference amount we have to write by balance brought down because I told already bank brought down will be debit and credit will be this side. So next again you can write in the opening in the June 1st by to balance brought down is this amount. Okay. So this is about the first sum about the triple column cash flow. Easy. So this all transaction was very easy. He bought goods, sold, credit. So now next sum I am going to do that is now this transaction. What? Again, see this now previous sum. This is a question paper sum actually for MBA students. So now here in this sum, again first transaction very easy. We all know cash and bank. So what I have to do? Two balance brought down cash. See here. And what is the main thing here? This is the credit transaction is given, correct? So cash balance is no, but here if it is a credit balance means what I have to do? Buy balance brought down in the bank. Okay. Now, so now paid legal expenses by check. So again paid legal expenses by check. So what I will do? By check means again in bank. By legal expenses. See here 2,000. Next cash sales. Again two sales. Easy. Again purchase goods on cash basis after cash discount 200 3,000. See it is a cash discount not a trade discount. So cash discount after cash discount 200. So what I have to write here? By purchase discount will be 200 and 3,000 was the cash. Correct? This entry. Next will be what? salary paid in cash, cash to bank. Again, by salary and cash account. Correct? So now next will be your what? Receive check from Mukesh and deposited the same in bank. Because I told you in the checks in hand that you read, if it is one transaction, the same day deposited in the bank, that time there is a no problem. We can record. But if it is you deposited but not cleared, or the check I gave to Ram, and after that, because it is Ram, means it is with him only that time. So that time it should not transaction happen in the bank. But here it is given receive check from Mukesh and deposited in the bank. Okay. So meaning, so what I have to write it here? In this to bank, same day. So again, to Mukesh, bank account, 7,000. Okay, see here, to Mukesh, 7,000. Next is receive cash from Suresh, 4,500 and discount allowed 500. Easy. Discount allowed means debit side, discount received means credit side. So again 500 and 4,500. Check received from Naresh and deposited into bank. Check received from Naresh and deposited into bank. Means again the same day transaction happened. What's the amount? 1,500. So to Naresh and bank account. See here, 80. To Naresh, bank. Now withdraw from bank for domestic use. Withdraw from bank for domestic use. Drawing to, so by drawing and, but sorry, this is for the bank. So this is drawing to bank. So again I have to write in the bank account. Check from Naresh, return, check from Naresh and deposited into bank. Done. Sorry, check from Naresh returned by the bank after it was dishonored. Okay, after it was dishonored. So what I have to do it here? Because where is the Naresh check? March 18. Check received from Naresh and deposited into bank. What is the amount? 1,500. Now it is dishonored. Means what happened again? So what I have to write in the big here? Here you wrote what? To Naresh, this one. So it is not clear. So what I have to write? By Naresh in the bank column. 1,500. Clear? Now again next telephone bill paid by check including 700 for domestic connection. Telephone bill paid by check. So again bank column. So what I have to write in March 24? Here it is by check including domestic connection 3,200. So is this we have to record or not? Tell me. Because in this what it we have to say here? Because it is your telephone bill and 3,200. Yeah. So it is an expenses. We have to do what? By check now. So again into it will go in the bank column, but 700 we have to deduct to 3,200 minus 700. What's the value? 2,500 will go in the bank account. We'll see that. Yeah, by 24. See here, by telephone expenses 2,500. Next is what? Paid rent by check. Again rent to bank. So March 30th by rent 1,800. Now next check received from Suresh and deposited into bank. Same. What? Check received from Suresh and deposited into bank. So again what? To Suresh, correct? Deposited into bank. So to Suresh and in the bank column 6,500. So now again we have to check the difference. So here what we have to do? Here we checked, here we checked. So it is this side is what? Credit. So by balance, credit down. So next month it will be to balance brought down. So what will be the thing is here? First is here March 1st is the credit balance. So we should record in the credit side. And if this indicate what bank BOD and the March 31st check received and deposited means again it will be in the credit balance. Okay. So because that is overdraft. So that business enterprise is over withdrawing from the bank. Because overdraft balance means you are able to withdraw the cash from the bank and it shows in your account it will be negative balance. So that is actually overdraft. One more sum is there that is based on the petty cash book, that is also there कि opening balance page wages and how to solve the sum. So basically triple column cash book is very important for exam point of view. So please if you have any doubt write in the comment box, like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.